so today I picked up two awesome little Bunnykin bowls. There's one, and there is the other one. And they are for my pretty little granddaughters, who are 2 years old and a few months respectively, 6 months I guess. Hard to keep track of them, they grow so fast. Anyway, two little Bunnykin bowls for my little Bunnykins. That's a thrift store buy, and I paid about, let's see, $3.20 a piece, $3.20. So that would make them $6.40 for both. Awesome buy. Okay, so today I also found more of my blue willow pattern. Obviously this item is not as rare as what I thought. You just have to keep your eyes open for them, otherwise you don't spot them. So I have 6 dinner plates and 5 of the bread or side plates, and yeah, that's another one of my thrift store buys for today. They were not as great a deal as the last batch that I bought, but they were still a good deal. And obviously bought them at the thrift store, and will continue to keep my eyes open for this because it is something I enjoy, and doesn't matter, you can always have a few more extra dishes. Anyway, that's it. That and my Bunnykins were my thrift store buys for the day. So that's it. See you on the next video. Have a great day, and thank you.